Good morning student. Today we will discuss about the matrix converter. In three-phase to three-phase cycloconverter, we use 36 SCR. Such a large number of current controlling device create commutation problem. So in practice, cycloconverter with large number of switching devices avoided, and in practice, or we can say in industry, we use generally two-stage conversion topology. Since two-state energy conversion is a popular approach in recent industrial application, nowadays almost industry AC to DC and DC to AC conversion system is used with DC link capacitor, which makes system bulkier and costlier, and this one can be treated as disadvantage of the above system. So avoid this, matrix converter was introduced which work on single stage as well as two stage topology without DC link capacitor in between. So without DC link capacitor, size of converter reduce, or size of converter get compact. Matrix converter arrange semiconductor switches into matrix configuration and gives desired AC output voltage. Since AC voltage not converted to DC voltage, so energy storing element like DC link electrolytic capacitor not required in this case. In matrix converter, bidirectional fully control switch are employed to incorporate PWM voltage control. For three-phase to three-phase conversion, 9 bidirectional switches are used, and we can convert by matrix converter three-phase to single phase, three-phase to three-phase, three-phase to 6 pulse, 9 pulse, three-phase to four-phase, three-phase to five-phase, six-phase, etc. Since input phase can be connected to any output phases at any input terminal, may be made to appear at any output terminal. And this is the basic diagram of matrix converter, having nice switches for three-phase to three-phase conversion. This is one is bidirectional switch, and this is representation of this. Two diode are used for feedback purpose, and two control devices are used to control. Similarly, current in any phase of load may be drawn from any phase or phases. To avoid short circuit, any instant only one switch on. Now operation and control of matrix converter. Suppose if we want here phase UA as a output, so we can switch on or close SAA. That means this phase come here. Now if we want phase B come here, then we close switch SBA. Similarly, if we want UB phase at C terminal, then we close SBC. So matrix converter should be controlled using a specific and appropriately timed sequence of the value of switching, which result output voltage having desired frequency, amplitude and input current get balanced. Now matrix converter are two types. First one is a direct matrix and second one is indirect matrix. Indirect matrix, no DC link is used, and indirect we create a fictitious DC link by our control strategy or imaginary DC link. And widely used method for controlling matrix converter are Venturi space vector and pulse width modulation. And application part, operate at any frequency and any output or input including 0, so it can be employed as 3-phase AC to DC converter, DC to 3-phase buck boost, or we can say we can use a matrix converter as a universal power converter. From one circuit, or one converter, we make all of three, and so on. Since this topic is required knowledge of multi-level inverter, zero voltage switching, zero current switching and Z inverter, due to shortage of time, I am trying to deliver a brief introduction of matrix converter, and this discussion is sufficient for introductory part, and thank you for watching.